Mega shoutout, welcome to Pure Stone Heart, and sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please click the notification bell so you will be notified for my next video. Again, for today's video guys, we will do the unboxing. Actually, I ordered this one in the Amazon, Bikini Man. So I just wanted to have this one. This is kind of an accessories of a phone, which is I am so excited. I ordered this one 2 days ago, and sure, it's arrived just for today. Okay, thank you. Now we will go for the unboxing for this one. It's not unboxing because cellophane. Anyway, yes, here is this one. Gimbal. It shows here Gimbal Stabilizer LO8. So very sealed. So I will check if this is really working for me. Yeah. And how to open this one, I will check. This is really sealed guys, and the review is very good, but I don't know if this one is really working well with me for this time. Well, check. Yeah, here's this one. Gimbal Stabilizer and Selfie Stick, it shows here. Yan. Oh. I guess this is a charger for this one. Shows. So this is the charger, I believe, and this is the selfie. And I don't know how to use this one yet. So this is how many inches. Very nice. And it kind of shows also a tripod. Yeah. Control here. Gimbal mode, beast use at 30 sanction road within 550 cm, selfie stick mode, blah blah blah, etc. I will try this one guys, so I believe this is very nice. Yeah. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. There you go. The gimbal stabilizer.